Hello guys, nagbabalik na naman ako. Ito pala guys, magluluto tayo ng usubuko guys. Hindi ko na videoan yung una guys, basta merpwa yan guys. Tapos nilalagyan ko yan ng ano guys, red wine guys. Yan, reduce lang yan guys ha. Tapos may ano na pala yan guys, may tomato paste. Yan guys, reduce ko lang yan. Yan, para masarap guys. Yan, mas masarap pa sa nagluto guys. Alright. Yan guys, mekas ng mga guys. Guys, merpwa guys, merpwa consists of carrots, onion, and celery guys. Tapos guys, lalagyan ko na ng peeled tomato guys. Peeled tomato yan guys. Tapos blender ko lang para guys. Yan. Usubuko pala guys means ano guys, uso means bone, buko means whole. In Italian dish pala siya guys. Tapos yan guys, pupal guys oh. Yan. Tapos nilagyan ko ng beef broth guys. Ayan na siya guys. Wait nyo.